Well, we use them every day without a second thought, but I think a lot of us have that sneaking suspicion that chopping boards are a bit of a germ magnet.
Are they a health hazard? Here to bust some common kitchen myths is food microbiologist Julian Cox. Julian, good morning and welcome.
Good morning.
Let's get straight into it. Chopping boards. What is better? What is healthier? Plastic or wood?
Well, they're two of the choices, and of course we've got more. I guess if I was to go back 10 years, I would have said definitely plastic. But of course now with this concern about microplastics, we're returning to tradition. And my sense is wood, particularly if we choose the right wood.
Okay.
What is the right wood?
Well, basically what we want is something that's not too, it's a bit of a Goldilocks moment. Not too hard, not too soft. Too soft means the bugs might actually get in there and survive. Too hard, we're going to damage our knives. So something that's got a good level of hardness. So in Australia, something from some of the eucalypts, really good density of wood, so we don't trap things, but also we keep our knives fairly sharp.
Okay, that's interesting because I would have always gone to, you know, for chicken or meat, for cutting, I have plastic in the kitchen because you can put them through the dishwasher really hot, and I feel like that's healthier.
It is, and cleaning is certainly one of the considerations. But I guess in terms of thinking about chicken, what we really want, ideally, is for people to have separate cutting boards. One for raw and risky, and at least one for the ready-to-eat. So we avoid what we call cross-contamination, you know, those bad bugs on the chicken, not getting onto our salad vegetables.
So my mother-in-laws are all over this stuff. She got me a titanium chopping board, but I'm worried about the knives. Don't they get ruined?
Yes, titanium.
Yes.
Oh, that makes my teeth feel funny.
Yeah, I know, it's a bit, isn't it? Like the
A
chalkboard.
knife on titanium.
I mean, it's very clean, but yeah.
Yeah, so if we're thinking about harder surfaces, titanium, stainless steel, glass, ceramic, they're all hard on knives. So we've got to be prepared to sharpen our knives more regularly. But of course, because they're non-porous, they're much easier to keep clean. So that idea of putting them in a very hot dishwasher, no damage and really sanitary.
Okay, that was my next question. Is the dishwasher okay?
It is for most boards. If you've got something that's laminated, there's the likelihood that they'll start to delaminate, to sort of break up. So better just to use hot soapy water in the sink. And then we can think about sanitising with a range of agents. We can go very old school, traditional, say lemon lime, acid with some salt, bicarb, but we can also use things like vinegar. We can use certainly bleach or sort of the laundry type of sanitizer that sort of oxidises. So there's a range of solutions there.
Are you putting laundry bleach on your kitchen board? Really?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, if you get that at working
Are
concentration,
you tasting that next time you're
no,
chopping
well,
up the
that's
celery?
beauty. It won't.
A bit of bleach dressing.
It won't leave a taint. After a while, it will
After a while?
dissipate. It will go into the air and disappear. But also, you could just simply wash it well, and if you've got time, particularly in our wonderful summer, put it outside in the sun. Dry it. It dries it well, and even the ultraviolet has some impact on sanitising the board.
Okay.
You touched on microplastics before.
Yes.
Are we just not using the plastic chopping boards?
Well, the scientific evidence from actually looking at chopping on cutting boards shows that most of the particles are much bigger than they're not microplastics. So they're likely to be washed away or also just removed from our body through the normal way and not find their way into, you know, our sensitive organs.
Well, Julian, this is a wealth of information. I have learned. Has anyone ever told you look like Santa?
They do, yeah. And I'm glad we got the chance
You've
to...
been waiting 4 minutes to get that out.
and I'm glad we got the chance to cut to the chase.
That's why he's the master.
Julian, thank you very much.
Thank you for having me.